Snapchat is making a major change to its popular Memories feature, a move that will impact millions of users. Since its launch in 2016, Memories has allowed people to save and revisit snaps and stories, building up a collective archive of more than 1 trillion items. For years, users enjoyed unlimited free storage for their digital memories, but now, Snapchat is introducing a new storage cap and paid plans to address the growing costs of hosting such vast amounts of content. Starting soon, free storage on Snapchat Memories will be capped at 5 gigabytes. For most users, this limit won't affect their experience, as the majority have less than 5 gigabytes saved. However, those with large collections will need to make a choice. Either download their excess content or subscribe to one of Snapchat's new paid storage plans. These options include a 100 GB plan for $1.99 per month, a 250 GB plan for Snapchat Plus subscribers at $3.99 per month, and a substantial 5 TB plan for Snapchat Platinum subscribers at $15.99 per month. To help users adapt to this change, Snapchat is offering a 12-month grace period. During this time, users can download their existing memories or upgrade to a paid plan. After the grace period expires, older snaps will be preserved, but newer items that exceed the free limit may be deleted. Snapchat's decision reflects a broader need to balance the value it provides with the reality of rising infrastructure costs. The company acknowledges that it's never easy to shift from a free service to a paid model, but believes the Memories feature is worth the investment. As Snapchat continues to evolve, users now have more options to manage their digital archives, ensuring their favorite moments are safe and accessible for years to come.